everyone, this is Jeremy here, and so this is time for the AMA. Today's topic, there's three main questions. So first one, what's the leverage token? And number two, how to use 9 trading bots. Actually we have 10 now. And third one, how to use the Copytrade that we recently published. It's a new feature, and at the end of the AMA I will answer some questions which has been submitted. Second question, how to use 9 trading bots. So we have provided, actually we have 10 now because we have just published the smart trade, and it is also very welcomed by our users. So the traditional most popular trading bot is just a grid trading bot, and I think most of you have learned how to use this bot, so I am not going to introduce it for a very long time. So there are AI strategies for this. If you are just a beginner, you can just pull this and to decide how much you're going to invest, and just after that you can just tap the create and just one bot will be created. So it is so easy, and it will also tell you the minimum balance to run grid bot. So for this YFI, Earn Finance token, so the minimum balance is nearly 2,000, so it's just a big number because the price is so big. And you can also choose BTC, so I think the requirement is so low. Yes, only $42.9 requirement. Yeah, so I think you can just choose it if you just want to have a try. Yes, and you can also use set myself, and these are the parameters you need to input. The lower price, that means the level, the support level, yeah, and the upper price, it means how much you think it cannot, the resistance price, that means. And this is arithmetic and geometric, so some people just don't understand what is it, so I will say a very simple example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is arithmetic. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, this is just geometric. So if you have chosen the arithmetic, we will place your orders using the arithmetic ways. So for example, this is the Bitcoin, and we will place it at 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, and so on. If you choose the geometric, we will place orders like 10,000, 11,000, and 12,100, and so on. Sorry, I cannot calculate anymore, and that's the difference. So arithmetic is mostly used for the small ranges, and the geometric is mostly used for the bigger ranges, because if you have set a very big range, for example maybe 5,000 to 20,000, and if you have chosen the arithmetic way, it won't be filled very easily at the lower range, and the profit for each grid will be very small in the higher range, so it is not so good. But if you have chosen the geometric, the profit for each grid is the same. So for example, I can just set this 5,000 to 20,000, and if I have chosen arithmetic and risk for 150, you can see the profit per grid is 0.5% to 2.01%, and that means at the lower range, for example 5,000 to 6,000, the profit per grid is about 2%, and at the higher range, for example 19,000 to 20,000, the profit per grid will be like 0.5%, so that's different. Yeah, so if I have chosen geometric way, the profit for each grid is the same, so they're all 0.93. Yes, so I just prefer geometric. So once I have an idea of creating a new trading bot, the grid trading bot, I will choose geometric because I just like the same profit per grid. Yes, and because I always love to set a wider range. Yeah, so this is the place to input your investment. So I can also use this scroll bar to just pull and choose my investment. So it's very easy. And there are also some advanced settings and the trigger price, stop loss, take profit. And I think they are also easy to understand. So trigger price means at what time, at what price level you want to start the spot. For example, it's now 11453.3, and you think maybe it's too high, and you want to wait until the BTC price has dropped to 10,000, and you can then make more money. Then you can just set the trigger price as 10,000, and the stop loss is very easy. So how much price you want to sell all your BTC to stop the loss and take profit when you want to close the bot. Yes, or maybe we can, it's close bot ads on the app. Yeah, so I think that's easier to understand. Maybe we can also change the wording into close bot ads. Yeah, so if I want to create this, there will be a double confirmation. So you can see you have chosen fluctuant and then bullish. So you're long Bitcoin and the pair BTC USDT and investment in earn. So you have invested USDT and you want to earn Tether. The range is 5,000 to 20,000. Grid numbers 150. Profit per grid, investment trigger price. After you have input continue, your bot will be created. So that's so easy. And let's see some more bots. So the leverage grid bot. So this is a bot to increase your investment. So you can choose from 1.2 times to 3 times. So just taking some risks to make more money. Yeah, but you have to pay for the interest every day. So we charge it every hour. So daily interest now is 0.066. So it is not very high, but it's also not low. So you need to just calculate if it is good and you are willing to borrow money to make more profit. Yeah. So the margin grid. So the difference, maybe some people just don't understand the difference between the leverage grid bot and the margin grid bot. So actually the only difference is the collateral. So if you use the margin grid bot, your collateral won't be used in the grid trading bot. And if you have chosen the leverage grid bot, your collateral will be used in the grid trading bot. For example, if I have invested $100 in the leverage grid and have chosen 3 times of leverage, that means you will totally invest $300, and $100 you have invested will also be used in this bot. But if you have chosen margin grid bot and you want to bearish BTC, that means you want to invest 100 tethered and as a collateral to long BTC to short BTC, and this tether won't be used in the investment. That means the tether you have invested is just a collateral, and you just borrow BTC and sell them high and then buy them back low. Yes, so that's the difference. So you can see that the highest leverage for the margin grid bot is 2 times, and the highest one for leverage grid is 3 times. So there's 1 time of difference. So that's the reason. And reverse grid, so most people may misunderstand the reverse grid. So this is not for shorting a coin. So you won't make money. You won't make quotes when you use the reverse grid. So you can only make the base coins when you use this. So when will I use the reverse grid bot? Only when I want to make more coins. For example, now I have some Bitcoins, I have some Ethereum, so maybe I have 10 Ethereum, and I think the Ethereum price is going down soon, and I think I also have some trust, I have faith in Ethereum. I just want to make more Ethereum, so I will use the reverse grid to make more Ethereum. So I will sell them higher at a higher price and then buy them back at a lower price. So if I just think as the so I can just make more Ethereum because I have sold them higher, and of course I can buy more when the price is lower, right? So some people just think they can make more quotes, even make more tether to use this reverse grid. That's wrong. So you can only make more base coins using the reverse grid bot. Yeah, but there is another way you can make both base coin and the quote coins, that is leverage reverse grid. So this is the reverse trading bot plus the leverage. So you can choose at most 3 times leverage for the reverse grid. So that means now I have 10 Ethereum, and then I have chosen the triple leverage, and when the Ethereum price is going down, I can just make more money, not only base coins but also the quote coins, because there is leverage there. Yeah. And the infinity grid bot. So a lot of people love to use this bot because now there is a bull run, and the bullish market has been for a long time. So many people love the infinite grid because there is no upper limit for grid for the bot. So you can only set the lowest price and profit per grid, and the investment just very easy to set to create it. So some people may be confused about the algorithm of the infinity grid bots, how it works. So I will explain it now. So actually it is something just like the grid trading bot. So the grid trading bot help you to buy low and sell high in a range, but infinity grid bot doesn't have a upper limit, so it just has the lowest price. So it will help you to buy low and sell high if the price is greater than the lowest price. So for example, take the Bitcoin as an example. Just like if I think the lowest price is just 10,000, and so it will help me to buy low and sell high just when the price is over 10,000. And the profit per grid, for example, I just want to set 1%. That means each time the price goes up for 1%, it will help you to sell those profit, that 1% profit. And the coins you're holding is always worth the investment at the beginning. For example, if I have invested $500, sorry, this is one, and if I have invested 500, and a part of your investment will be maintained to buy some more coins when the price is dropping. So the percentage is just 10,000 divide this number, the current price for maybe it's just like 10%. So maybe 50%, $50 are used to buy more coins, and $450 the tethers will be used to buy bitcoins at the beginning. So when the Bitcoin price is going up, it will help you to sell the bitcoins, and also it will buy back when the price has dropped. So it can help you to arbitrage and also sell all your coins at a higher price. So infinity grid bot is better than the grid bot in the bullish market. But if it's a sideways market, grid trading is better because it can make more money in the fluctuations, because the money is more used. Because infinite grid bots, you can see there are more grids than normal one, so your money has been divided to more parts. For example, if we think there are 1,000 grids when you created the infinite grids bot, and if you have only 100 grids, there are 10 times of difference. So your money will be divided 10 more times when you use the infinite grid bot, so you can not earn more in the fluctuation in the sideways market. Yeah, so that's the difference between the grid bot and the infinite grid bot. I hope you have understand. If you still have more questions, I can also tell in the group. You can also join our Pionex group. And the new bot, the Smart Trade series. So I want to introduce today the Smart Trade. So it is very good to use when there is a pumping market. So you can just set the buy price, buy quantity, the take profit price, and also trailing take profit and stop loss at the same time. So maybe the price, maybe you want to just you think, yes, the Y-earn Binance coin is just pumping, so you just want to make profit from it. Yes, so you can set the buy price, maybe this current price, and then you want to buy 0.1 coin, and then you want to take profit for 10%. Yes, you need to set, you can tap this, you need to set the price. Yes, and trading percent will be 10%. No, you can only set a lower percent than this one. That means you can always make the profit from it. Yes, and you can also set the stop loss price. If you don't want to stop loss, just set 0, and then you can create. Yes, so you can just control risk and to take risks to make more money. So it is very good for the pumping market. So I just recommend you to use it. So the trading sell is the old trading take profit feature, and I think you have to learn it. So trading buy, we will publish it in the Smart Trade V2 version 2, and I think it will be coming in September or October. Yes, and DCAT web, I don't want to introduce it because it's very easy to understand. So this is how you can make use of the bots. And you can see, so here are my bots now. So I am not aggressive trader, so I just choose the top cap coins, and this comp3 as this is my profit, so I use my profit to make more profits. So the fluctuation is just very big, so I have made 25% of profits in just maybe 11 days. And this is FTT, so it's a FTX token, so I have already made 15%. I think I just recommend this token because FTX is doing good, and it has just acquired Blockfolio, which was also our competitor. So yeah, Pionex is also growing very fast. So and we also have cooperated with FTX using the inverse, and I think they have a good future.